Hello from Canada, eh?
Hello from Percepto, Australia.
Hello from Dubai.
Hello from Africa.
Hello from Chile.
Hello from Chile.
Hello from Germany.
Hi, hello from Israel.
Hello from Mexico.
Estado de Puebla.
Hello from the United States of America.
Hello from Percepto's Manufacturing Center. My name is Dor, CEO and co-founder of Percepto. I'm really excited to welcome you all to Percepto's Aim Higher 2022 launch event. We have some very exciting announcements today, and I look forward to showing you what's new at Percepto. Last year, we launched Percepto AIM as a solution for industrial sites, with many companies still inspecting their facilities and infrastructure in a partially manual and very labor-intensive way. AIM completely changed that by using one system that harnesses robotics and AI to deliver the critical insights our clients need, all provided by an autonomous end-to-end solution. Over the last 12 months, dozens of clients across 6 continents have used our solution to optimize productivity while enabling business continuity, remote operations, emergency response, and much more. The global pandemic pushed our clients to find new ways to operate their businesses, and Percepto's solution proved its effectiveness again and again. A great example of this is Verizon. During wildfire in Washington state, their technicians flew our Sparrow drone from their homes across the US to guarantee the company's infrastructure stayed intact and available to first responders on the ground. Percepto AIM has already proven itself as a game changer for these companies. And now I'm super excited to share with you what's new in AIM 2022. A brand new drone, new integrated sensors that will surprise you, new AI-powered solutions, a significant user experience upgrades, and much more. To kick things off, here's our CTO, Sagi, to talk to you about what's new in software and AI.
Thanks, Dor. By introducing a unique approach to managing visual data, AIM 2021 revolutionized how industrial sites inspect and monitor their infrastructure, placing the site in the center and better connecting digital data to physical assets. This has enabled our clients to focus on what matters most, asset integrity and actionable insights. AIM 2022 take these principles to the next level with the introduction of Insight Manager. Insight Manager provides packaged solutions for industry-specific use cases, make it even easier to get the insights you need. These solutions are powered by our specialized AI, leveraging the continuous and repetitive data collected by our fleet of robots. Means our machine learning networks are trained with high-quality data collected from thousands of hours of autonomous missions. Thus, the resulting solutions are capable of providing highly reliable and accurate analytics. With AIM 2022, we're also introducing a new change detection framework. We've customized this framework for each and every one of our new industry solutions. For example, the solar farm inspection solution identifies structure and thermal anomalies with respect to previously collected visual data. It is capable of detecting a dying cell or diode, vegetation growing over a panel, or suboptimal performance. Another example is the power grid inspection solution, in which the system uses semantic segmentation to place and classify components of these very structurally complex assets. Then, it uses the change detection framework to identify structural faults and hot points in the grid as predictors of potential failures. With our leak detection solution for oil and gas facilities, change detection is used to spot leaks even when the naked eye can't. It also detects more gradual degradation, which can be identified early with continuous automated inspection. Our change detection framework can be used to track positive changes as well. For example, to monitor construction. The solution identifies different components and their location in order to monitor the progress and stages of construction. For example, in solar farms, the solution detects bolts as ground anchors, A-frames, motors, pipes, cross arms, and finally, the PV panels. AIM's ability to manage both aerial and ground robots provides even more comprehensive visual inspection. For instance, it can detect small but important issues such as loose screws and wires. This type of monitoring can ensure employee safety standards, construction quality, and timelines are all met. The new change detection framework greatly enhances our volume measurement solution, a critical solution in the mining industry. Comparison and relative volume measurements improve accuracy and give a better visual understanding of changes over time. For all these new solutions, reports and insights are automatically generated and disseminated to relevant stakeholders. Issues and faults are geotagged and displayed on a map, enabling stakeholders to take effective action before they escalate into more serious problems. The final result is ensuring optimal productivity and minimal downtime. AIM 2022 also introduces superior user experience. Everything is available from our mobile interface, accessible through smartphone anywhere. Users can subscribe to any asset of interest and receive automatic notifications. And finally, collaborative tools make sharing and acting upon insight easier. To see how AIM 2022's new capabilities are already benefiting customers around the world, let's zip over to Enid, Oklahoma to speak with Ariel, who is there with Koch Industries.
Thanks, Sagi. Always love seeing what you guys develop to make these kind of sites much more efficient and secure. Hi, everyone. My name is Ariel Avitan. I'm the Chief Commercial Officer and co-founder at Percepto. And here we're at Enid, Oklahoma, and one of the biggest fertilizer sites in the nation, run by Koch Fertilizer. So today, I'm going to sit with a number of key stakeholders here, talk to them about how to utilize the Percepto technology to make this site one of the most forward-thinking sites in terms of robotics and technology. Can you describe a little bit about this site? What is it running and how is it part of the CASE organization?
This is one of 6 facilities now that the CASE company owns. This is our largest fertilizer production facility, and it's one of the larger ones in the country.
We got a couple ammonia plants, 2 different urea plants, a UAN plant, and 2 loading and storage facilities on site as well.
What is the goal for the organization when they look at putting robotics on sites? Why is it so important to go into the next steps of robotics in each of your plants?
Well, I think first and foremost is safety. Anytime we can have a robot or a drone go do something that is, go up on a ladder or go look at something during the winter, instead of sending somebody out on icy ladders or putting them up in, man lifts or those sorts of things, let's go ahead and have a robot do it.
It also creates value for us in that the people that used to have to do that now are freed up to do higher value activities.
We've got a lot of really smart people that are hungry to do just amazing things. And when they're weighed down with wasteful and mundane tasks, like go walk here and go take this manual measurement and those sorts of things, we really undercut them.
And with having the Percepto system in place, it's eliminated that. It allows the drone to facilitate that now. Just go through and generate a report, so where we just have to look at it and see. We get a thermal imaging and infrared imaging, so we can actually see the tank levels and see for any anomalies within the pumps and the housing of the pumps and stuff as well.
For Koch Fertilizer, like on the corporate side, does it provide the better visualization? Like, how do you see that as a value for the organization?
To me, anyone in any location can watch the missions, can go back and look at them. Any data that's gathered either is automatically sent through reports, or you can just send, hey, here's the video from that.
The stakeholders themselves can see those changes and see the different reports and know that it's correct every time.
It just gets people connected to the important information to help make right decisions and to keep people safe. And the quality of information is just so much higher than you would ordinarily have.
Where are the main buckets of ROI that you see? Where does it lead the site and you as a site manager?
Our security costs go down with the use of the drone.
It paid for itself during a recent freeze event when we were able to start the plant up earlier. We had better information more soon to the decision makers, and all that time we kept people out of harm's way, right? So instead of them going out in negative 21-degree weather, climbing icy ladders, going up in man lifts, we were able to go ahead and have all that information brought back to them. They're safe and warm in the building and able to make the right decisions, the right operational decisions, and the safest decisions.
Where do you see the main advantages of having, these systems deployed in different sites and that cross correlation between them?
We're seeing the ability to share knowledge from fixed cameras with your AI platform built into it. But then I'm also seeing the data that's coming in from our terminals, from some manual drone work that's been put in. And so it's a one-stop shop, and it gives us a holistic view, not only from a technical perspective, but from a leadership and management perspective. If they have any questions, if they want to see what's going on, they have that ability.
Where do you see this going forward? Like, what's the next on the horizon?
I see it playing a huge part in the future. We have a goal that when we have an unplanned event, that nobody goes outside until we've secured that event and we know what's going on. Robotics can serve part of that role.
Not just flying, not just the aerial drones, but the terrestrial drone, the robotics that can either walk on treads or on wheels. The real power in the system is how those two are integrated together. So the system will decide, oh, is this the data that you need? Well, I'm going to dispatch this, whatever this is. And so it's really sensor agnostic. It just handles the mission and gives you the data, which to me is ideal, right? That's where we want to get. We're already addicted to it.
Oh man, it's going to be a pretty awesome ride,
It's not just a dream, it's actually the tool can come in and can actually help us add value day one.
And now, let's move to the heart of our development, the Percepto Workshop. Over to you, Chief Engineering Officer Raviv.
Thanks for taking us inside a client side, Ariel. It's always amazing to see our solution in action. Hi, I'm here at Percepto's R&D lab, and I can't wait to show you what we've been up to. AIM 2022 is a powerful double act, integrating hardware and software. Let's take a look at the drone and robotic technologies that make it all happen. Percepto is the market leader for drone-in-a-box solutions. We've spent tens of thousands of flight hours perfecting our capabilities to develop the most robust, safe, and reliable drone-in-a-box on the market. It's capable of handling the most challenging sites, from the freezing Midwest through the humid Mexican coastline to the dusty desert of Australia's mining regions. Our drone-in-a-box lives on site, 24/7, 365. It is designed for infrequent maintenance and is ideal for remote operations. After working with leading industrial sites around the world, we understood that one size does not fit all. Different sites have different operational needs, such as inspection frequency, accuracy, payload versatility, or system mobility. In response, I'm thrilled to announce in this special event that we are expanding our solution portfolio with a new drone-in-a-box. Meet our new member of the family, Percepto Air Mobile. Crafting a smaller, lighter weight model allowed us to offer a drone accessible for smaller site or organizations who are taking their first steps with a drone-in-a-box program, and for larger sites that need greater deployment flexibility. The new drone-in-a-box is ideal for linear inspections such as pipelines and power lines, mobility across extremely large sites, monitoring short-term projects across multiple sites such as construction and turnarounds. Like everything we designed, Percepto Air Mobile is built for outdoor use and is ready to face the most challenging environmental conditions. And like its bigger brother, it is equipped with the Percepto Core onboard module to provide on-the-fly advanced analytics. After thousands of R&D hours, we're extremely happy to introduce the next generation of our market-leading Sparrow drone, featuring its newest and most advanced configuration yet. We decided to give it a new name too. Meet Percepto Air Max. Percepto Air Max continues to represent the most versatile and resilient option in Percepto's portfolio, featuring a more versatile top-grade payload, multiple cameras to suit specific use cases, such as an optical gas imaging camera, which is used for efficient and accurate detection of various gas emissions. With this new configuration, Percepto Air Max is well positioned for inspecting and mapping the most complex industrial environments, where the highest accuracy and durability are critical. Both Percepto Air drones live on site in the Percepto base, and through integration with Percepto AIM can be operated from anywhere. Our news does not end with the expansion and enhancement of our drone-in-a-box portfolio. In the years since we launched Percepto AIM, we've been approached by many customers asking to have Percepto as their everything visual data solution. That's why with Percepto AIM 2022, we're integrating new drones and visual data capture devices. From DJI drones used by many of our customers that can now be fully managed from the new Percepto mobile app, to fixed cameras that help monitor site operations during critical processes such as turnarounds. We will continue to expand the visual data capture devices we integrate with Percepto AIM to provide a holistic site understanding. When talking about autonomous drones, we have to address drone regulation. So let's address it with one of the industry's experts and our very own Neta.
Thanks, Raviv. I have to say, your team has outdone itself with the Percepto Air Mobile, and I can't wait to see what you guys come up with next. Hey everyone, I'm really excited to be here today and to share with you all what's new in drone regulation. We're not only leaders in developing the safest autonomous drone technology, we're also experts in how to leverage the full value of this technology, working with drone regulators around the world to obtain complex regulatory approvals, such as beyond visual line of sight operational approvals. This is paving the way for the safe and timely integration of small unmanned aircrafts into the airspace. Some examples in the US include helping Verizon gain expedited approval through the special governmental interest process for full beyond visual line of sight operations, allowing them to operate Percepto autonomous drones from 1,600 miles away. Another example is our work with our clients through some of the FAA's most advanced programs like Beyond and the Partnership for Safety Plan. These unique programs enable select companies to work closely with the FAA to gain complex operational approvals. We also work with our clients through the FAA standard Part 107 waiver process to help maximize the full value of our technology. I'm proud to share that we're on the FAA's BVLOS Aviation Rulemaking Committee, made up of leading lawmakers, stakeholders, and other drone manufacturers. This committee is spearheading the new BVLOS rule. And just as Part 107 opened the commercial market to drone operations within line of sight in 2016, the BVLOS rule will provide a clear path to operating commercial drones beyond visual line of sight in the next few years. There is progress happening in drone regulation all around the world, from the EU to CASA in Australia, and the progress shown in the US is just an example of the regulatory needle moving forward.
Thanks, Neta. The progress we see in regulation is exciting not only for me, but for the entire drone industry. I'd like to thank you all for joining us today and to give a big shout out to our amazing clients, partners, and of course, most of all, our employees. I hope you all agree the integration of robotics, AI, operational excellence, and regulatory expertise is setting the stage for an exciting new era for visual inspections. Safer, more efficient, and more scalable. Percepto will keep on aiming higher, advancing the technological and regulatory fronts to bring the benefits of inspection automation to industrial sites and companies all around the globe. Thanks again for joining us.